Good morning, everyone. I am Ian De Guia, and I'm here to talk about Unity. So, what is Unity? Unity is a multi-platform integrated IDE for scripting games and working with 3D visual worlds, including game engine 3D objects, lighting, physics, animation, and scripting. So, it is accompanied by other script editors such as MonoDevelop and can also run Virtual Studio. It can also edit 3D terrains, can animate 3D objects, and can be used as a graphic user interface system to edit user interfaces of the game. It is also executable in different exporters or platforms such as native application, web player, Android, iOS, and Wii. So how do you install Unity? First, you need to know the system requirements of Unity. It needs to run at least Windows XP, SP2 or later. In Macintosh OS X, Intel CPU and Snow Leopard 10.6 is required to run Unity. Note that Unity was not tested on server versions of Windows and Macintosh OS X. Graphics card with DirectX 9 level capabilities can also be used to run Unity. Any card made since 2004 should work and run Unity well. Using occlusion culling requires graphic processing unit with occlusion query support because some GPUs doesn't support that in Intel. So, installation. Installing Unity 3D is simple. First, you need to download the latest Unity distribution from http://unity3d.com. Next is run the installer with the default settings. After that, run Unity for the first time. It may open the demo project or it will ask you to create a new project. Either way, it will not change any setting of Unity at all. Next is follow the instructions to register online. Fill up your emails and just use the free indie license if you don't want to pay. Next is go to File and open the project. Once the project is open, it will load and it will open Unity. So, in using Unity, you need to know the 5 basic things. First is the scene. Scene is the same as the hierarchy, same, just different views. It is editable 3D game objects in the game. Next is the hierarchy. It is the text list of game objects and objects in the current scene. Third is the inspector, where the properties for currently selected objects are listed. Fourth is the game, where it can show the preview of how the game will look like when the game is played. Fifth is the project. It is the content of project assets folders. You can find all the files in the folder like library of script, digital media files, and other assets or scenes. So, this is an example of the game window. The game window shows you what your players will see. When you click on the play button to test your game, the results of your efforts will play out in this window. Toggle the maximize on play button to test your game in full screen mode. So, that's all for Unity as of right now. Thank you for listening and good morning again.